This is how we, at DW Mattress Cleaning Singapore, perform a mattress deep cleaning service. Step 1. Deep vacuuming. This helps to remove dirt, dust, and other microparticles. Step 2. Shampooing. This gets rid of germs that causes foul odors. Step 3. Scrubbing. Using a soft power tip power brush, this helps to break stains. Step 4. Using a 170 degrees Celsius steam. This helps to sanitize the mattress in order to kill germs and bacteria. Step 5. Hot water deep extraction. This eliminates dead skin, microparticles, and excess water. This is an example of the dirty water we collected after our mattress deep cleaning service. If you are looking for mattress deep cleaning services, WhatsApp us now at 65824 10032.